Alright guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. This is actually a tutorial, just like most of my other videos, except for the very first one I posted. That one wasn't a tutorial, but all the others are, as of right now. So, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a frame, as you probably saw from the title, or the thumbnail, or the Google search results, which shows the title. And this model, it requires not one, but two 2x1 rectangles. So what 2x1 means is basically, don't mean to insult your intelligence, but one side is double the length of the other side. So in this case, I'm using 9 inches by 4.5 inches. And if you get two of them and you put them next to each other, it should make a square. That looks like a square. So I think we're good. Okay, so let's just start. Okay, so I'm going to start this model by folding the top to the bottom. Folding it in half. Crease sharply. That should look like a square. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take this side and fold it to this center crease that we made. And we're going to fold this side to this crease. Okay, then we are going to not unfold, but we're going to hold this layer down, and we're going to fold this side to this crease as well. Hold the layer down and make sure it doesn't slide, because sliding layers might sound like fun. It's no fun. Makes your origami all imprecise and stuff. Alright, now we're going to unfold, and you'll notice we have some valley folds and some mounted folds. Now we want all of them to be valley folds. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to go through and we're going to have to make all the folds valley folds. And even the ones that are already valley folds, just go through and reinforce their valley fold hood. Alright, and now we should have half, a quarter, and 4/16. That's what it should be divided into. Alright, now we're going to take and we're going to fold it in half, but not fully. We're going to fold it in half, but only this first segment. So from this, the edge, to this first fold. That first crease. And that should make a little fold, diagonal fold like that. Not sure if you can see that on the camera. Hope you can. Now we're going to take and we're going to line this side with this third crease. Like so, but we're not going to fold fully. No, we're only going to fold from the edge to this first crease, like with the other one. Now we have two diagonals like that. And what we want to do now is we want to make a fold that connects these 2 points on the diagonals that we have. So we're going to take and we're just going to fold. And if you turn it over, you can kind of just pinch in between those two fold marks, and then fold along that pinch line. Just crease sharply. Alright, now we have a fold right there. And we're going to want to collapse this. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold it like this. So we have kind of like a little square. And we're just going to push in on each of these folds. Good. We have these two folds, we're just going to push in on each of them. And that should leave us with something that looks like that. And then we're just going to fold down one more time. And believe it or not, we have made a quarter of our frame right here. So now we're going to unfold, and we're going to do the same on this side. I'll go a little faster since I've already shown you how to do it. It's just the same. And then, guess what? The other piece of paper, we're going to do the same thing with that piece of paper. So if you want, you can just go ahead, speed up, go faster than me, because I know some of you are like speed origami people. Yeah. Alright, we're going to fold in half like this. We're just basically folding a lot of them in half. Make sure the layers don't slide. If you want, I can make shadow puppets. You want to see some shadow puppets? Here, I'll make you a shadow puppet real quickly. You see that shadow puppet? Hope you saw that. That's all you got. Okay. Now we want all the folds to be valley folds, so we're going to go through, make them all valley folds, initiate them into the valley fold organization. They live in a valley. And then we're going to make that little crease mark. Then we're going to make this little crease mark. And we're going to fold in between those 2 points. And we're going to collapse like that. Collapse that inside. And believe it or not, we have successfully made 1/2 of the frame. If you can guess, the other piece of paper, we're going to do the exact same thing with it. So set this aside. Grab your other piece of paper. And time lapse over. Okay. Now that you have your 2 things, you're going to want to take and be quiet for a second because... Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take, it doesn't matter how, you're just going to take one of them. No, I unfolded this. Just going to take one of them, one of your modules, and put it on top of the other. Right? Something like that. Then, it's going to make sure they're all on top. And you can kind of see the frame there. It's looking kind of messy right now. So what we're going to do is we're just going to fold everything down. And see how these are kind of like pockets. Oh, no. Okay, well, I'll show you anyway. These are like pockets, right? So what you're going to want to do is put it back inside because you took it out so you could explain the pocket hood. And you're going to want to just take the sides that aren't the pockets and insert them into the pockets. And you can sort of see the frame coming together there. Insert into the pockets. Insert into the pockets. Insert into the pockets. Insert into the pockets. And there you have a frame. And I made one earlier and I put a picture in it so you can see what it looks like with the picture in it. I made this one out of bigger paper and I put a picture in it. As you can see, this one I made out of 5x10 and it's not that much bigger. The finished frame product will be as big as the smallest sheet, the smallest length. So if you had 5x10, it'll be 5 inches. If you had 12x24, it'll be 12 inches. If you had 36x72, it'll be 36 inches. But there you got it, guys. I wonder if I have a picture to put in here. No, I don't. But I do have something even better. And as always, thank you for watching.